All you need is a phone or a laptop and internet connection to start making money right from your home. So for those of you asking me the jobs you can do from your different locations, people from South Africa, Nigeria, and all over the world, this particular one is for you. I'm going to share this website with you guys. I'm going to walk you through the sign up process and everything you need to know inside within the website, so that you can acclimatize yourself with the process. All right, again, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. I'm also going to pin it, so feel free to use the link to sign up and start making extra money. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. And for those of you who have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video so that others that are in need of jobs, others that are in need of making extra income can watch this video. So I'm going to share my screen like I do and show you the process, the payment process, and everything you need to know about this website. All right, so don't watch halfway, watch till the end, because you're going to love this one. You can do this one anywhere in the world. You can do this one even if you're working already. You can still do this one to gain extra income. You can do it over the weekend. All right, so watch till the end. I'll see you in the next slide. The site is called TimeBucks, and when you click on the link, it brings you to this page. So you sign up, click on the sign up and sign up. But because I already have an account, I'll just log in. So here we are. This is the home page, and this is the dashboard. So these are available surveys that you can do right now. If you sign up, immediately you start getting surveys. So this is where your earnings will be, how much you've earned so far. And you can also run adverts. If you have ad campaigns, you can run them. You pay them to do it for you. And there are so many good things about this. So this is people, it is a top 100 earners for the day. They give bonuses to top earners for the day. Like this person now has earned 87, almost $88 for today. So his bonus is going to be $47, and all of them. So people all over the world, you can see their flags from India, everywhere, no matter your location. This is a good one. So on a daily basis, you earn commission according to the number of according to the amount of money you made in a day. You can earn bonuses as well. So for payment method, you go to settings. This is where you enter your details, fill in your name, your country. Make sure, another important thing is that for you to put your accurate location. So if you're in Nigeria, for instance, and you're put in America, they will obviously dictate you, and once they detect you, they will remove you. You'll be banned for life. So I have an account with them before where I've earned up to $400, but I don't know whatever reason, whenever I maybe travel out of leave my house, it just tells me that I've changed location and all that. And they just want you to be, if you're in your home and you do it from your home, let it be there. Don't move locations. So they will think you're using VPN, and it's prohibited. So make sure you're putting your exact location, your country, and your state, for those of you who have states. Okay, then you put your postcode and everything. So you can always change your email address anytime. So for payment method, they pay through, this is AirTM, Wise, Litecoin, Tango, Visa, PayPal, Payer, and Skrill. So if you don't have these ones, you need to get one. So for those of you in Nigeria, if you're not able to use PayPal, this is the best option for you. AirTM is the best option. So maybe I'll do a video and show you if you want it. If you don't have a PayPal account, if you're in Nigeria and you want to know how to open AirTM account, let me know. So what AirTM account does for you is that this site will pay you. Now it will pay into AirTM in dollars, and then you can cash it into Naira account or whichever currency you want to cash it into. So it's like PayPal as well, but they pay them in dollars, while they can also convert it. Even if you don't want it converted, you can sell the dollar. So you can sell the dollar in this ATM's website. There's an option for you to sell the dollar. So someone can buy the dollar from you. And even if you leave it there for a while, you will get bonus for saving dollars in ATM. So try anyone you can use Wise, anyone that you can use from all of this payment method, use them. You can even change at any time, but make sure you change. I think you can change before. Make sure you don't change it when the payment cutoff date is due, because this particular website pays every Thursday. So you don't go and cut off, like you don't go and change your payment method on Wednesday night and all that. Okay, so they pay every Thursday. So and there's no withdraw button because it's automatic. Once you set up your payment details, it automatically pays you if you make up to $10. Okay, now it says the minimum payout is $5. It has decreased. So once you make up to $5, you must get paid on Thursday. So and again, now I'm seeing that Tuesday is the cutoff. 11:59 p.m. Tuesday is the cutoff, New York time. And there will also be a timer, countdown timer for you to know. All right. So once you get up to $5, you'll be paid automatically on Thursday. And you will also verify your ID. So do the necessary registration like I've shown you here, and fill in your details and start making money. So this is all you need to do to make money. These surveys come up it can come up at any time. So there's no like, how do I put it? It comes up anytime. So all you need to do is keep checking your dashboard for surveys. These ones too are surveys, offer walls, survey. They are all surveys that you can complete in your home. Within minutes, you're done. These are all the available surveys right now. This one is paying $1. All of them, $1.342. There are so many surveys to complete. You can also earn from clicks. You can earn from clicks, can earn from engagement, even push clicks. If you enable this, activate these push clicks, which means they'll be sending you notification in your phone or laptop anytime there's available surveys, and you will get paid for this push clicks that enters your phone. Also, when you invite anyone, you make money through their referral. Through your referral link. Anyone that clicks on it and signs up, you make money. You get a referral bonus. There are so many ways to earn from this website. I don't even know how to explain it better for you guys, but there are so many ways. So this is the chat where you can chat. You can see people here asking questions. So if you're confused, this is live. Is a live chat room. So if you have any question, just come here. It wasn't here before when I newly started 2 years back, but they've updated and upgraded. So you can come here and ask your questions and get your response immediately. Okay, so there's nothing to hide here, and you're not paying anybody anything to register. All you need is your time. A little time on a mobile phone or a laptop and internet connection, you're good to go. So, but surveys varies on your location. So if some people over here in the UK might be getting a lot of surveys compared to people, or as opposed to people back in Africa, but anywhere you are, see people in India, all over the world, you will make money. So I just thought to share to you guys, those that are looking for ways to make small money. This is not get rich quick scheme. You have to work and you make your money, right? So share it to people. Even secondary school children can do this. It's very easy and they'll be making extra money. All right, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you use my referral link, make sure to leave a comment so that I guide you further. All right, and if you want me to make a video on how to use the ATM for people in Nigeria who can't use PayPal, let me know so that I can make a video on how you can register for ATM and start making money from it. It's not that easy to do that one. Let me know in the comment section and I'll do it for you guys. So here, this brings us to the end of this video. I'll bring you another one tomorrow. If this one gets a lot of views, I'll bring you another one. Don't forget, the name of the website is TimeBucks. I'm going to leave my link in the description box and I will also pin it in the comment section. Feel free to use the link and I will see you in the next one.